to what? Huh? Every function of Python belongs to what? Class R. So, I will open it. See, students, you are lazy people. So here, I am saying features of Python. Don't open the notes now. Simple feature, I will open it. First point is that only I said. Come on, read out. Python programming provides a rich set of modules so that programmer can reuse the predefined modules and develops the program more easily. Definition of module. A module is a collection of functions, variables, and class names. Every function of Python belongs to what? Module. Beginning days, calendar module, math module, CMath module, OS module, RE module. You have seen at least calendar module in the beginning now. So you go to the place, you go to this place once. I said what earlier, you remembered that import calendar. It is a module, students. What happens? Import calendar. Yes, C. Print of what? C dot month of. What is that month of? Today you can understand is a function. Function belongs to which one? Calendar module. Now I will say here 2023 and then second month I will take it. And is it coming or not? Function belongs to which module? Calendar module. Like that. Today is going to be the case here. Every Python function belongs to what? Module. No doubt in that. Function also belongs to class, but you don't know. Class na? Do you know class? Correct answer, but I don't know whether you are expecting and saying that, but it is not like that. Every function belongs to what? One module. Here reduce function belongs to, reduce is called one function, students. Reduce function belongs to one module that is known as what you know, FUNC modules. FUNC tools module. What is the module ma? FUNC tool module. You may ask a question, sir, there's a filter and then map also functions now, and you have seen so many functions so far. All these functions belongs to what? Filter function, map function, like that. Beginning so many functions are there. They are belongs to the module called what? They are belongs to the module called what you know. Default module is present in Python. Default module is present in Python. That default module is called what? Built-ins. Built-ins. It is one of the default module. I just said indirectly to you, in where globals function I said. Globals function example 2.py. I will run my code once. Go to the place, E colon or D colon. Once see students, Python here, and then 7 a.m. I'll take it here. What is it, ma? Functions. You see, there I said py globals function example 2.py. I hope the function name same. I'll check it out, students. 7 a.m. under functions, globals function example 2. Okay, globals function example 2. I will write it. Py, I will say globals fun example 2.py. What happens? Global, not s is there. Not s is there. Global function example 2. You see, my dear students, this was an example or not? Now see here. Understand, ma? What is this now? Module. What is the default module is coming to every program? Built-ins. What is this is called? Predefined default module is called built-ins. Inside the built-ins module, print function, type function, ID function, so many functions I said or not? All of them are belongs to which module? Built-ins. But today we got it module function. Reduce. Reduce function belongs to which module? Function tools. So I will say this example and I will move forward. Shall we write the example now? Let's follow me. I'll go to this place and I'll write the code for that. See, students, now I'm writing program for finding sum of list of numbers. List of numbers. What is this now? LST is equal to 10, 20, 30, some 25, some 45, some 35, and some 45, and then some 90. This is my given data. How do you do, ma? RES is equal to, come on, reduce of LST comma lambda, what is it? Sorry, lambda. First is called what? Lambda x comma y colon x plus y comma LST. Right? Only LST. Understand? So I will write here sum is equal to comma what, students? RES. So I will write it here. Simple example. Easy. Reduce example1.py. See that? Save this code. Easy. And do this. I go to this place and special functions I will save it, guys. I'll keep it and see. Done like this. Come to the command prompt. Now run this code and error will come. What is that error? Special functions na? CD special functions. In this case, I was saved it. Py, my program name. Error. Reduce is not defined. So first day, you are coming across import. What is the tool? FUNC tools. It is called what? Predefined module. That is our next class. Modules concept will start. Right. Now I'm going to say here FUNC tools. RES is completing. RES. How you need to call? FUNC tools. Dot what? Reduce. You have to call only by importing. Nothing will happen. Again, error will come, students. Error is coming. Once you import, you have to call as what? FUNC tools dot what? Reduce. Suppose you are calling that. If you don't write import also, you will get error. It will ask you what is function tools. It is saying function tools not found, name error. So you have to say what? Come on. Import FUNC tools. Are you understanding this? Now execute this code now. See, students, py. Now I'm saying that. Now see the answer now. 255. Are you getting my point? This is called what? Reduce example. With which function? Anonymous function. Right? Same code I will do with what function also? Normal function also I can find. See, students, reduce example2.py, finding that with what function? Normal function also I can do it. How do I do with normal function? Remove this. I am writing what? Sum OP. Okay, sir, sum OP you write it. This is comes under main program. Now tell me DEF sum OP of K comma V. Initially, reduce function will supply how many values? 2 values. 2 values are going to where? K comma V. What should I do? Come on, return of K plus V. K plus V value, don't think that it is returned to which function? Reduce function. First it will go to where? 2 values. To where? Sum OP. PVM will go to K first value and then second value to where? V. K plus V is done. That result is kept into where? K. It is not going to come immediately to the place. Next succeeding element is going to where? V. Again, that previous sum plus what? V is added and kept into where again? K. Next succeeding element is going to where? V. Previous sum plus current value will be added and kept into where again? K. Next succeeding element will go to V. It goes on doing, it goes on keeping. No succeeding element. Return the final result of K plus V to the RES. Okay, students. See this. Now, save this code. Go to this place and 7 AM special functions here. Then save this now. reduce function example to py, and see this now, got the result as same. Are you able to follow? Then you can read the values dynamically also. How do you read the values dynamically? I will tell you that today itself. I will tell you that. Nothing to worry. I will write the code directly. Can I write the code directly? Print of enter list of values separated by what? Space. Don't worry about it. Now I'm going to explain that. I'm going to explain now. So Harichandana, where ma? Right. Now I will start with, come on, what is this? LST is equal to int of val for val in input of dot split off. Now you are passing it. Right, students? Run it. Don't worry about it, what I wrote it. Enter the values separated by what? Space. 10, 15, 23, 4, 6, 7. See the result? 65. Enter the value here. 2, 3, minus 2, minus 3, 10, 20. 2, 3, minus 2, minus 3 cancelled. So result is called what? 30. Are you following me? So this is called what? Dynamism in the data. So did you understand this mechanism? Now I will show you the concept, students. Concepts I will show you. So that how these steps, whatever is written now, I will just bring it. I'll just bring it. So I'll take it, reduce function here. Reduce function, I'm going to bring it here. So coming to the point back, now I want to say reduce function, I will get it. Keep this result here in your 7 AM. Keep this in your functions place, special functions, sorry. In this place, I will keep it in the notes of this and observe it. Now I'm going to open it. See, students, now it is like this. What is happening? You just observe it. Come on, students. Reduce is used for obtaining single element or single result from the given iterable object by applying to a function. Syntax, please. Variable name is equal to reduce of function name comma iterable object. Here variable name is an object of type int, float, bool, complex, str only. That is called fundamental data type and str. Reduce function belongs to predefined module called func tools. Internal flow of what? Reduce. Start. First step. Initially, reduce selects first two values of iterable object, place them in first variable and second variable. Did you understand? Next, step number 2, the function name lambda or normal function utilizes the values of first variable and second variable and applied to the specified logic. What is my logic previously? Plus. You can write another also, and obtains the result. Okay. In the second step, what are we doing? Are we obtaining the result or not? Function utilizes, obtains the result. Step number 3, reduce places the result of the function name in which variable? First variable, and the reduce function selects the succeeding element of iterable object and places it to second variable. This process will repeat. What is that? Doing the operation, keeping the result into first variable. Next, succeeding element selection. Step 2, step 3 will be repeated until all elements are over. Step number 4, repeat step 2, step 3 until all elements completed in iterable object and returns result of which variable? First variable. Everybody will ask how reduce function works. This is a special important, student. Be careful, as it is you need to take. First 2 element selection. Next, operation done. Operation kept in where? First variable. Succeeding element will be taken and put it into second variable. Repeat that process until all elements of iterable object completed. Easy now? Right. So this is about what function? A reduce function. Open the notes now. Open the notes. Online students, did you understand? Did you understand, students? All of you? Please confirm. Very good. Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept a list of values. Which will accept a list of values. Which will accept a list of values and find max and min, and find max and min, and find max and min by using reduce function. By using reduce function. By using reduce function. By using reduce function. Are you able to follow? By using reduce function. Did you understand this point? Good. Now see students, I will go for it. Don't worry about this. I am using certain thing here. In this place, I used directly this type of thing. You can write the same program in where also. In where also you can go for PyCharm also you can do it. Are you executing everything in PyCharm only now? So even though I do it in Edit Plus, go to PyCharm also. Try to do it. So let me close this part. Let me close this area. I'll close this part. Close this project. Now see that what is this now? So I'll take it 7 a.m. 7 a.m. reduce function. So create it. Now I'm going to take up. There I'm going to write it. Virtual environment is creating. Now it is ready to accept it. Take the first program. I'll take it a new Python file. So what is this now, students? Reduce example 3 now. 3 dot what? Py. So I'm going to take up. I'm going to take up. Reduce example 3 dot py. What is my requirement, students? Finding the max and min. From where? Finding max and min from list of elements by using which function? Reduce function. That is our requirement. Okay. How simple it is, students. You see, LST is equal to, tell me, LST is equal to bracket. You don't worry about it. I'm writing it. You don't worry about it. Beginning, I will say enter list of values. Very soon after this program, I will go to that. List of values separated by space. Okay. So there I am taking val. There I am taking val. For val in input of dot split off. Very shortly I will come to it. Now my list values are ready. What I want to do? Max v is equal to see, I'm writing reduce. When I'm writing directly reduce, underline is coming. Red underline indicates what? Not identified immediately. Not identified immediately. Not identified immediately. How do you do it now? FUNC tools. FUNC tools dot. FUNC tools dot. Import what? Import FUNC tools. FUNC tools. So gone. No red underline, nothing. There I will pass it what? Come on, mom. Lambda. Come on. X comma. Okay, very good. Come on, good. Good. X. If X greater than Y, else Y, comma, LST. Beautiful. To find the max or min, two elements you need to compare or not? What operator? I forget this one. I forget. Ternary operator. Python ternary operator. To find the max or min, two elements has to take the comparison. Understand? If this is X and Y is greater than that, result kept in where? X. If the result is Y, keep the result in where only? X. And the next succeeding element of LST is coming to where? Y. Did you understand this point, students? Now, next min v also I want to write it. Come on, min v is equal to same to same. Now I want to take up FUNC tools. Come on, students. X, if X less than Y, else Y, comma what? LST. That's all. Now I'll say close. Now print what? Max value is equal to dot format of what? Max V, print of what now? Min value is equal to dot format of what? Dot format of I can say something is hang. Something hang I pen. So Paicham also got angry today. Total system hang. Students in online for a few minutes. Students, please hold on. Okay. So now, dot format of what? Min V. I will write it. Min V I wrote it. And then close the bracket of it. No? Min V. Okay. So, double quotes, we should not use it. So we have to use it like this. You run this code. Students, you run this code and enter the values separated by what? Space. Now enter the values separated by space. 10, 23, 45, minus 5 and 34 and then some 12 and then some 67 and a 0. See the data, max and then min value is coming. Are you following this? So run once again. I'll say here minus 2, minus 45, minus 56, 0, 12 or something like minus 34, minus 67 like that. Max value is 0, min value is called minus 67. This is called which function we are using, guys? Reduce function. We are finding like this. Okay. Online students, did you understand this? This is called another reduce function. One more example I want to say. For your uploading purpose, I'll take these things. I'll save it here. So I'll keep it. Write down one more you write it. Write a Python program. Which will accept list of words. Which will accept list of words and get a line of text by using reduce function. Are you writing? Lost? Not writing. Why? Book not bringing. So what are you doing then? My dear student, please bring the notes daily. Okay. Now come on to the point of it. Now I am taking list of words I want to write it. Look at on the board. I'll bring it here. See that I'm writing. So will you say the logic now? Look at. These are the list of values. Enter list of words. Separated by comma antanipudu. Comma. Separated by comma. Don't worry about it. Comma. So, comma. So I'm writing here. Don't worry what I'm doing inside. Very shortly will come across. That time I will say here. I'm writing like this. Okay. Now I want to go for line. Line is equal to line of text. FUNC tools dot. What is the function name, students? Reduce. Function name I will write it. What is that? KVR CONCAT. KVR concatenation is equal to, or KVR join is equal to join. KVR join is comma. What is that? LST. What is KVR join? Is a function or not? This is main program. Main program. Both of them I will do it. Come on, DEF. KVR join is equal to what I'm taking. One word will come at a time or not? One word. Word 1 comma. First word. How many words are coming? 2 words are coming. Like X comma Y. Like K comma V. Like 2 words are coming. What should I do? Return. What I am returning, students? Word 1 plus some space. Word 2. Both the words are going to concatenate with some space. Keep the result in where? Word 1. Next succeeding word of LST is going to where? Word 2. Previous concatenated words are there in word 1 and concatenated with this, and one more new word is concatenated. First, second, third words are there in word 1. Next succeeding word will go to word 2. This process will repeat until no words exist. And finally, no words are there. It will return the value of word 1. Understand? Let me write it. Here I am writing. What is that now? Line of text is equal to dot format of what? Line I am saying. Execute it. 3 na 4. 4.py. 4.py. I am saying that 4.py. See students, 4.py. I'm going to take up. Execute it. Go to this place. Py. Reduce example 4. Enter list of words separated by comma. I am writing here Python, comma, invented comma, by. Now I am saying row sum in the year. I'm writing that is called one word only. In the year, I'm writing here in the year 1990 in Netherlands. Just I am writing these are in the form of words. In is one word. Next is Netherlands, nether comma one word, lands. Now I am writing line of text Python invented by Rossum in the year 1990 in Netherlands. Now I am writing. So HYD is the capital of TS. I am writing. HYD is the capital of TS. Understand this point? Very, very simple, students. So this is the way how we can understand this. The same thing you can do with what also? With a lambda function also you can do it. Lambda function, how you know? You know this, right? So see, take this. This is called by using that function and remove this normal function, student, and reduce number 5 and write what here? Come on. Lambda word 1 comma word 2 colon W1 plus some space plus what? W2 comma what? LST. How simple it is. By using which function this is? Lambda function. Lambda functions are very easy and easy to do it. See students, done. Execute the same thing. Execute 5.py. See that this is the one you write it. What is happening? Same. See the same thing. This is also same. Run the same thing. This is also going to be same. You enter whatever you like it, students. Of course, same thing is coming. Understood? This is about which function? Reduce function. Able to understand? Fine. Today, I want to introduce some new topic which is very small. You can understand very fast. That is called what? List comprehension. First, I will explain what is the list comprehension importance. Through program, I will explain. Through program. Shall we start up? Yes. Now I am going to take up all the students in online. How many special functions are there? 3 special functions are there. What are those? Filter, map, reduce. These are the functions we have done it, and with an ample of examples. Right. And I'm going to introduce one more type of concept called list comprehension. The topic name is list comprehension, tuple comprehension, dict comprehension, some comprehension mechanism. I'm going to say, I will take up one simple example here. Just for a minute, you observe the line. I'm taking list comprehension example 1.py. Take LST is equal to, now you'll get a filter function also in your mind, and alternative concept this is 10 comma minus 20 comma 34 comma, or very simple example, first I'll go 3 comma 2 comma 7 comma minus 4 comma 5 comma 12 comma 19. This is my given data. Next, I want to take these values, I want to square it. Each value I want to square it. And the squared values where I want to keep it in list, I want to keep it. What we did yesterday, we used what? Map function we used it. Today, SQ list is equal to, what is this next? I am writing this brackets. What is this brackets, ma? List. Spell out list. Actually, the syntax of comprehension is like this. What is that? Variable name is equal to, whether you take it as this bracket, or you take it as this bracket, or you take it as this bracket, or you take it as this bracket, we don't mind. Today we don't mind about it. We are discussing the example. Nothing to worry. Tell me, here I am writing expression, some expression. For loop I am taking. Only for loop, not while loop. Because it is designed for iterable objects. After that, test condition I will take it. Test condition I am going to take it. Test condition. Writing test condition is optional for few minutes. Observe it. Expression, for loop, test condition. Written inside of where? List bracket. Go back. Nothing to worry. Just follow. What is the first one? Expression. First for loop, for value in where? LST. What is the value in LST? First, what is value coming? 3. From this LST, from these values, what is coming? 3 will come. Once this is done, PVM will come to, if what is our syntax actually? We are having what? Test condition is there. If we have, after the for loop is taken, first it will go to for loop, guys. After that, it will go to test condition if test condition is there. Since no test condition is there, second it will go to this place. Since no test condition is there, third it will go to what? Expression. Do you have expression now? Yes, I am writing. What is my expression? Since no test condition is available, I'll come to test condition also for you. Now I am going to write it what? Value. What is the value taken first time? 3. Now I am writing what? Value star 3 I am writing. Value star 2 I am writing. What is the meaning of value star 2? 3 square. 3 square result is kept in where? SQ list as a first element in the list. Why SQ list is a list? Because I am writing this is a bracket. Which bracket? List bracket. So, first time when it is executed, value taken, first step is that is called 3. 3 square is called 9. It will be keep it into where? SQ list. SQ list is equal to, it will be taken what? 9. Next value of LST, next repetition will be taken place. Next step. What is the next value of LST? 2. What is that 2? Go to where? Expression. What is my expression? 2 into 2. 2 square. 4. Kept into where? SQ list. Next value of LST? 7. Go to where? Expression. 7 square? 49. Next value of for loop. Come on. minus 4. Minus 4 square, 16. Next value of LST, 5. What is the value of 5? 5 square. What is that? Next value of next 12. 12 square. Next value of LST, 19. 19 is called what? 280? Don't know. 3. Very good. 361. 361. This is called what? Do you have any more elements? No. Left side what is prepared? List is prepared. List is prepared. Now print it. How simple it is. Now I am writing SQ list. SQ list. Type of what, students? SQ list I am writing. SQ list I am taking. You please execute it. Please execute it. Now I am writing. Just I am saving the code. Not under this 7 a.m. I will write it here. List comprehension. List comprehension. I am just writing. Easy. Not a difficult. And first program I am saving. So save this code. Go to the come out of that. You say come out of that CD list comprehension. Now you see PY. Say this. Say the answer now. Are you getting that? Which type it is? List type. List type. List type. Are you getting this? So if you want to get it, those values, original list and this one, you can say yesterday only I told you. Yesterday only I told you for normal value and then what? SQ value in where? Zip of LST, comma what? SQ list, print of what? \t and then this value and next \t and next is what? Dot format of what? NV comma SV. NV comma SV. Now I am saying print of what? Some value I am writing, something for your understanding purpose I am writing that. Now I am taking, this is all you know. These are all these things you know. What is that value? Normal value you know. And \t, what is this? Square value for the normal value. You say like this. You try to write like this. So you execute it. You see that normal value and what? Square value we are getting it. Understand, students? Well, now I am going to say, are you understanding this flow, students? Now, next point is, next students in the online, did you understand this entire process? Next process is, see how simple it is. Next one I want to take up. So Bruce is asking, what is ZIP? So already ZIP explained or not? ZIP is to combine two or more number of objects into a single object, my dear student. So coming to the point back, now take up. Now I want to take it here. I want to take it here. So here I will take it. I want to take only positive values I want to take. Which values I want to take? Only positive values. Positive values separate, negative values separate. With what? List comprehension. Are you following me? How do I do it? Come on. Syntax is just a few minutes back written. Expression, for loop, test condition. First where it will come? For loop. Next where it will go? If it is satisfied, go to where? Then that value will be kept in where? Right. That's all. Go now. Come on, students. What is this now? POS list is equal to, just prepare the skeleton ma. Prepare the skeleton. First for loop process. For value in LST. Condition I am writing. First, what is the value is coming from LST? 3. What is the positive value? If value greater than 0. See how beautiful subject. If value greater than 0, what is the first value coming? 3. Is 3 greater than 0? True. Then it will go to where? Expression. What I am doing? Just a val I am writing. What is the val? 3. 3 is stored in where? POS LST. What is the value of POS LST now? 3. Next go to for loop. What is the value of for loop? -2. Is -2 greater than 0? Which will not go to expression. which will not go to next value of LST 7. 7 greater than 0. It will go to where? Expression. What is the value? 7. 7 kept in that, comma. What is the next value? -4. -4 greater than 0. It will not go to expression. What is the next value? 5. 5 greater than 0. It will go to expression. What is the value? 5. Kept into a positive list or not? What is the next value? -12. -12 greater than 0. False. It will not go to expression. Next value of LST 19. 19 greater than 0. True. Go to where? Expression. What is the value there? 19. Is it not called getting my data? Yes. So negative list also I want to go for it. Come on. Don't take much time. Start. NEC list is equal to value. For value in LST, value less than. That's all. Take one 0 also. Take one 0 also. 0 also you take it. Okay. Start this comprehension 2. Comprehension 2. I'll write it. Beautiful. Go to this place. List comprehension. Go to list comprehension here. Where is it? List comprehension. You save it. Done. Save it, students. Out of that, you execute it. PY. And see this now. What happens? Printing is supposed to do. Okay, students. Print of what? Given list. Given list is equal to comma what? LST. Okay, ma, next please. Positive elements. Positive elements. Positive elements. Positive elements is equal to POS list. POS list, right? Next I will take it what? Negative list. This is NEC. This is NEC list. Negative elements. So I'm writing here negative elements. Save this code. Save this code and do this. Start working on it. PY. See, students, got the list elements or not? So positive elements I got it. Negative elements I got it. Understand? Right. Students in online, did you understand up to here? Now I am going to next stage of discussion. Is this syntax is clear? Huh? Tell me once, what is that? Variable name is equal to expression for loop test condition. First it will go to where? Next it will go to where? Next expression. Okay. Now I'll go to separate example. I want to enter a list of values, students. List of values. How do you read list of values? How do you read a list of values? Generally, I'm asking. I say, see, how do you read one value at a time? How do you read one value at a time? How do you read one value at a time? By using input function. Don't know? Don't know? You know that now? Yes. Now see that. Simple example. How do you read the values from the keyboard? Input function. See, reading values. Reading values.py. And how easy it is once you read the subject. So I'm getting complete doubt on the students of offline. Whether you are reading or not, that is my complete doubt. I asked about whether which function is used to read the data from the keyboard. Which function? Come on. Okay. Print of enter a list of what? Values. Separated by what? Space. That's all. Now, I will, when this message is coming, I will go on entering the values in the same line. Same line I will enter. Different lines already you have seen it. How many lines I wrote it? Line number 3 to 12th line. 9 lines you have written. Already you have seen it or not? Now, today we are going to say, enter the list of values separated by space. How it will come in the command prompt when I come? Listen, students, online students. You are getting enter the list of values separated by what? Space. You are getting some message. I am entering 10, 12, 13, 14, and then 19, 55, like that. This entire data is read by what function? Input function, by feeling that it is a single line. By feeling that it is which line? Who will read that entire line? Input function. So read that. So which function I am using? Data is equal to KBD data or keyboard data. Keyboard data is equal to what? Input of. That's all. Print of what data? K data. What is the type also I will print? What data it is? Which type? Which type? str. Very good. str you see. Now done. Execute this code. py. See students. Enter the list of values separated by space. Don't take much time. Last student. Last but one. Third row. Looking back. Spits. Stand up. Sleeping. యాక్చువల్లీ చాలాసేపటి నుంచి నిద్రపోతున్నావు. నేను ఇంకా ఏమనలా నేను. కూర్చో, విను జాగ్రత్తగా. సో యాక్చువల్గా నీకు స్పెట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, అయినా నేను గుర్తుపట్టాను నేను. ఎందుకని? నాకు కూడా స్పెట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో ఐ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ యు ఆర్ స్లీపింగ్. టేక్ కేర్. యు సీ adjacent student how he is listening. You see your backside student, all of them are listening. You are only sleeping there. Actually, they did not recognize you. Actually, they need to recognize. Why they did not recognize? They also don't want to disturb you. Because sleeping is very important for the health, night time, not in the class time. Right, my dear students. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, minus 23, minus 45, and 45. That entire line is read by what? Input function, kept in where? K data. That I am printing. See that. That I am printing. Entire data I read. What type? str. Are you okay? Okay. Now after that, we have already discussed the split function. Do you remember? Split function, how many forms I discussed it? Split without argument, split with argument. Split without argument is what is the delimiter? Space. Right? Space. And next after that, what I said? With a comma also we can read. With a comma also we can separate. Understand? Now, today, already it's shown you in our command prompt level, you see S is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then 60. This is my S data. Print of what? S comma type of S. This is my data. This data I will split. Some X is equal to S dot split off. Why split off? These values are separated by what? Space. This split function split the value of S one by one, kept into X. X is of which type? List type. Print what? X. Print what? X. Are you following me? How do you print these values now? You tell me. For value in where? X. What is the printed now? Of what? X. Sorry. Yes. Print of what? Value you printed. Value you printed. Am I getting the values or not? What happens? So, indentation is important. So, values are coming or not? Look at. I confused you. Yes, sir. Print of that. Split. Print of X. List also printed. Now I will say for value in. Print of what? Value. Value. Is it values are printed or not? Now go for a shortcut. X is equal to what? Can I write in place of X this one or not? Come on. For X, come on. S dot split off. Colon. Say what? Print of val. What is the S dot split? It is preparing the list or not, like this. What is the first value of that? 10. When I say S dot split, list is coming over there or not? What is the first value going? 10. Kept in where? Value will print. Next value of that list, 20 in value printed, next 30 in value printed, next 40 in value printed, 50 in value, 60 in value. Just say, this is my data. Are you able to follow? Right. Coming to back, online students. Now coming back, now I will say, now split the data now. Split. X is equal to what? K data dot what? Split off. Why split off? No argument. Such space I am giving. What is the type of X? X comma type of what? X. You execute it. You execute it, students. Is it list of values are coming in the form of list or not? Read the data from list to students. Come on, students. For value in X. For value in where? X. Backslash T. Dot format of what? Come on. Value. You execute it. Now see, students, in the command prompt, is it getting the values as it is or not? Understand? This is called what? Basic. Can I go directly to reduce? Right. See, that is the basic. I will upload it. Now I'm going to take up this part. You see, now I will go on reducing to 2 lines. X is equal to what? K data dot split. Split off. I'll copy and I will write here. This line is not necessary now. That line is not necessary. Correct or not? Okay. KBD is equal to what? Input. Okay. First let me execute it, because all of a sudden if I reduce now, you'll get problem. Now you see. Go to that list comprehension. You say read values to. You execute it. Go to the place read values to.py. You see that 23, 45 again. Am I getting or not? Okay. Now see, KBD is equal to what? Input of. Input of. I will copy that and I will write this. Okay. Can I remove this statement? Yes. Are you okay? Come on, execute it. Come on, execute it. Go to this place. Enter list of values. Are you following? Tell me, where are these values are available? What type of data this is? What type of data it is? What type of data it is? Value is which type? Very good. Very good. That str values, I want to convert it into int and I want to put it into list. So I will use what? List comprehension. List comprehension. Shall I? Okay. Now I will remove. I will remove. What I am doing, you see. Tell me, what is the value? What is my value? Okay, I will take one sample example. From here, I will get this data. I'll get this data. Okay. Now you say, because of this is my data ready now. This data read by which function? What are you doing? Which is becoming what? Which is becoming list or not? With which type? str. With a comma, everything is there or not? Because when I convert into list type, it was having comma, with which type? str. Codes also there. Today, see what I'm doing. Writing this bracket. Which bracket? Comprehension bracket. No indentation. What is the value now? What is the first value coming? 10. Which type? Which type? That I am converting into which type? Int of what? Val. What is this int of val? Expression. What is this input dot is doing? Reading this entire data, converted into which type? Split type. List is coming. From there, which value is reading? First value. What is that value? 10. 10 is which type? String str type. Converted into which type? Right in the left side as what? LST. LST. Understand? Run the code now. Print. Print. What is this now? Print. What is that? Come on, students. Given list is equal to, comma what? LST. Execute. What a beautiful subject. Say this. 120, 100, 200, 250, 150, 350, 245, like that. Am I getting the data or not? As next is called what? 2 minus 4 minus 5, 6, 23, 45, getting like this. Are you following? Now, this is how I am entering my data, by separated by what? Space. Suppose you want to go for what? Separated by what? Comma. No problem also. We can go for it. What is this? Separated by what? Comma. What should I do now? Split off. Comma. Because split function already explained or not? Now tell me, this also, you read this. 3 now? 3 dot. 3 dot. Save this code. Go to the place. Here I am having. So list comprehension. Save this code. Out of that, see students, py separated by comma, 12 comma, 34 comma, 56 comma, 78 comma, 12 comma, 79 comma, 100. Who is going to read this entire values? First of all, once again, input of what I am applying, split of comma separated values are splitting and preparing one list. From that list, what is reading? First value. What is the first value type? 12. 12. 12 is converted into which type? And put it into the left side list. And we are keeping like that. Are you following that? See how simple it is. Run this code and you got the list. Which type this is? List. If you want, you can enter like this. You see that I'm entering like this. What is this? Come on. What is this? So I got it. Set. Set. We can't expect in which order that will come. See the order. Set. Are you following? Like that, you can go for a dict also. Dict also you can take. Dict also. Next level, I will tell you that. Nothing to worry at this stage. Int of, I will say value star 2, I will write it. Value star 2, I will write it. This is something like this. This is something like this. Now I am writing here. Next class, I will tell you that. Dict of, I will write it. Now see that it is going to print. What is happening? What is that? Okay. Okay. So you see that what happens? Okay. Okay, students. Nothing to worry about it. Sorry, you're doing something we don't understand anything. So, getting this. Okay, something is coming. Nothing to worry at this stage. That you don't worry. In the next class, I will take up because I don't want to make it hurry. This logics. Are you able to follow? What is this is known as? List related things. List related things. Okay, one more. I need to remove that. Okay. Now you are getting that. Coming to the students. So py values are there. Getting this set or not? Yes. Don't worry. I hope. Go to our reduce function once. Go to our reduce function once. Where is the reduce function example 3? Now read out. Read out now. Enter list of values separated by. Are you understanding? Reading the data separated by space. Reading the first value. Converted into which type? Right. Got it. That concept what I said, tomorrow also I will continue. So tomorrow also I will explain from the beginning onwards. So understood? So today is actually we have seen programmatically. I will upload these programs also, whatever the programs. Concept I will tell you tomorrow. Concept means that syntax and everything. Okay. I'll stop it. Tomorrow class, don't miss it. Okay, students, take care. All the best. Online students, you can hold on for the doubts. Students in the online, am I audible, students? So any doubts are there, students? You can raise your hands, guys. Any doubts are there? You can hand raise. Anant. Student name is Anant. Anant. Student name is Anant. Next, Raman Lakshman.
Hi, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, actually, you are uploaded assignment now, sir. That
Yes.
assignment.
Yeah.
Yeah, I tried the fifth one tuple in a list. I got some confusion.
So try for that, try for that, because take it and do that exercise. Think about with all the things what we discussed it. Apply your intelligence. What are all the possible things are there? You won't do it. Okay. You continuously work on it. You will get the answers. Okay.
Okay. If not,
Kalyan.
Sir, I have one question, sir, a request. So right now you're maintaining that folder by examples, right, sir? Somehow I'm missing some of the examples in terms of the program, when I'm practicing. So is it possible for you to upload as a folder, sir? Just
folder,
to be
folder.
Normally you upload it in a Google Drive, right? How you upload is basically you upload a drive, all the folder in one shot, all the folders in that subfolders will also upload, right, sir?
That folder actually, entire folder is not getting. You have to zip it.
Okay, can you do so? Because most
because students also must know about how to unzip it also. Are you not downloading it? Are you not downloading?
I'm downloading it, sir. But how your upload is basically daily you upload a files, it's individual files. But but when you're segregated into your folders, you segregated on topic by topic and folder by folder in that, right, sir? It goes in a hierarchy, right? So somehow some of the exercises are missing out, and I'm not able to figure out where, which exercise should go into which category.
Okay.
But if you can upload in that way, it will be easy for me. Like what I'm trying to, what I'm missing out, and then that's the request, sir.
Okay, we will at the end of that topic is over. Now I will upload all those things in the form of one zip file.
Okay, so
that is good enough.
That's also fine, sir.
Functions are over, for example. Functions are over. I will upload that entire zip file once.
That will also help, sir. So
again, the problem is some of the students are unable to open the zip file and they will say, sir, not opening. That is also one problem. So anyhow, I will do
zipping and zipping should be easy, but
actually they need to unzip it.
Yeah, unzip. It's again a tool which you need to install and use that tool. That's
yes. So anyhow, I will send you at the tomorrow class. Okay, na?
Perfect, sir. Perfect. But whatever we have till now, will you be able to do that, sir? Like zip one shot and then upload.
We can do it. We can do it. Not an issue.
Perfect, sir. So that I can complete my gaps of things.
Definitely.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. That's the request. Yeah.
Okay, students, take care, and we'll go for you. Khalid. Okay, ma'am. So yes, Khalid, your advice is also very good, but we are purely concentrating on our lectures. That's true, ma, but only thing is my concentration is, my weakness is only on teaching, because publishing our own books requires some other kind of what do you call, other field now. That's why, my dear student Khalid. Okay, students, take care and all the best, and we'll take care about it. And tomorrow, don't miss it, students.